Hello guys, please full watch this video and like, share, subscribe the video. You can see guys. Let's start guys. Hello guys, good evening. What are you doing? Come with me. Experience 10 year in office. Today I teach you how to multiply formula use in Excel with mobile. You can see guys, multiply formula Excel with mobile. You can see, just click. You can see guys, column C, type before equal, column C, row 4, C4, multiply last column D, row 4, D4, D4. You can see guys, then enter. You can see guys, 1000 into multiply 88 is called answer 88,000. You can see guys how to easy Excel formula multiply in mobile. You can see guys, first column C before equal, column C, row 4, row 5, column C, row 5. Next multiply last column D, row 5, D5. You can see guys, next enter. You can see guys, answer 5000 multiply 40. You can see guys, 20,000. You can see guys, next question, first column C, row 6 before equal, first column C, row 6, C6, multiply last column D, row 6, D6. Next enter. You can see guys, 10,000 into 68. You can see guys, answer 68. Next first column C, row 7 before equal, first column C, row 7 into multiply last column D, row 7, D7. Next enter. You can see guys, 1250 multiply 2. You can see guys, 2500. You can see guys, next equal type, first column C, row 8, C8, multiply last column D, row 8, D8. You can see guys, next enter. You can see guys, 1050 multiply 8 is called answer 8400. You can see guys how to multiply formula Excel with mobile. You can see guys, next type equal, first column C, row 9, C9. You can see guys, multiply last column D, row 9, D9, D9. Next, enter. You can see guys, 8000 into multiply 6. You can see guys, answer 48,000. You can see guys, 48,000 answer. You can see guys how to multiply formula Excel with mobile. You can see guys, last first column C, before type equal, first column C, row 10, C 10, multiply type, last column D, row 10, D 10. You can see guys, type enter. You can see guys, answer is 31,500. You can see guys how to multiply formula use Excel with mobile. You can see guys,